Hello, thank you for joining me. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. Today I am doing the themed reading for Tuesdays, which is the Sacral Chakra reading. It's an attunement to help this chakra operate at its utmost. I will be bringing in a chakra from the lower realms to harmonize the energies with this one. So our first card out for it is from the Art Oracles deck, and we have Andy Warhol. Our question for this reading is, how can I be empowered to take creative risks in the world within the realization that I am the Divine Feminine? So some themes associated with this card are: eat dessert before dinner, give your 15 minutes some time, wanting can be better than having. For someone who believed that every person gets 15 minutes of fame, Andy Warhol took more than his share as an extraordinarily significant 20th century someone. What didn't old White Wig do? He revolutionized use of silkscreen printing for his canvases of Campbell's soup cans and Marilyn Monroe's. He founded the factory, his studio and den of artistic debauchery. He briefly managed the seminal 1960s group, the Velvet Underground, and even survived being shot. The sweet tooth who ordered dessert before dinner, Warhol saturated art with pop and fueled the love-to-hate contemporary market. Go ahead and blame Warhol for everything about present-day art. He would appreciate it. And then to chime in from the Well Matrix Chakra, we will take a card from the Myths and Mermaid deck representing it. And we have the Green Mermaid triplets. A sprightly green and black mermaid is flanked on either side by identical mermaid sisters. This inseparable trio is held together by a strong familial bond, presenting themselves as a united front against the worries of the world. There is no need to feel so isolated. You've got your sisters by your side. The world is so much easier to face when you do it hand in hand. Even when they are not there bodily, know they are with you in mind and heart. Need an ear to listen, a shoulder to cry on, perhaps a pep talk to cheer you on? You know who to turn to, so do not be hesitant to reach out. Thank you. That ends our little short and sweet reading for today. And tomorrow I will be publishing the solar chakra reading. Thanks so much for joining me.